Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, house. I live the house. Second, go. I go for a walk. 3. Work. I take the train to work. 4th, school. I go to school every day. 5th, lock. I lock the door. 6th, cat. This cat is white. 7th, beautiful. My house is very beautiful. 8th, give. The cow gives us milk. 9th, meet. I meet up with my friends. Number 10, check. I check my emails. 11th, good. Atul is a good boy. 12, pen. This is my pen. 13, road. This road is very long. 14, this. This is my car. 15, that. That is your house. That is your house. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.